Welcome back to Counsel, a Hirschler video series dedicated to exploring the legal and business trends keeping employers up at night in these challenging times. My name is Andy Sherrod, and I'm here again virtually with my colleague Jaime Wisegarver. We're both members of Hirschler's employment law team. What we've been doing is engaging in a 5-part series of short video discussions that touch on some significant new Virginia employment laws that will go into effect in July. While COVID-19 has been dominating the headlines, employers really can't lose focus on these laws because they will be very impactful to their business. In today's installment, we're going to talk about some changes to the Virginia wage payment statute that are going to have a lot of importance. So what happened here is that the Virginia wage payment statute has been modified to allow a civil cause of action by Virginia employees who claim that they were not paid the wages that they were due. Not only can they receive those wages, but they're also entitled to a liquidated damage in the same amount of the wages that are due. In addition, if the wage non-payment was knowing, then the employer is on the hook for triple the amount that's due. All of this is in addition to the employee being able to recover its attorney's fees. Even more, these claims can be brought as collective actions where groups of employees can band together, often with a single attorney, to bring a large case on behalf of many workers. Jaime, this seems like a big change in the law. What do you think the practical impact is going to be?
It is, Andy. This gives employees a more straightforward way to bring these types of claims. And as you mentioned, it also significantly expands the remedies that are currently available under the Virginia Wage Payment Act. Even if the damages owed for unpaid wages to a single employee may seem like small potatoes, Andy, as you mentioned, that number is going to grow exponentially when multiple employees band together and file a collective action. For those of you practicing in the Fair Labor Standards Act space, these damages will sound awfully familiar to you. That's because, Andy, as you mentioned, not only can the employees recover their unpaid wages, but there's also the potential for liquidated damages, double the amount of the wages for all violations, triple the amount of the wages if the employer knowingly violated the law. Employers are really going to want to tighten up their policies to ensure proper payment of wages, because if you mess this up, it's going to get really expensive really quickly if these collective actions get filed.
All right, thanks, Jaime. So it sounds like businesses need to make sure that those final paychecks are in order.
Absolutely.
All right, everybody. Well, thanks again for tuning in to Couch Counsel. As always, if you have ideas for us or things you'd like to hear about, please let us know. Thanks a lot.